Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're checking out a very old game that I used to play on the channel, but then randomly disappeared. It's so laggy. If you remember what this game is, it's called Pickup. So you basically get to fix a old, pretty sure it used to be a good model, but now it's a dead model.
What? Oh.
So, let's start.
Oh my god.
It's been a while since I actually played this game, so it's a little hard to remember.
I probably should still play that game.
What game? The game that I played?
Yeah.
Come on, just play.
I don't remember the entire game and how to play it. Guess what?
Our birds even talk
I
about
don't have to make anything on Roblox to play the game, but Jake had to. Like, he didn't know how to play boxes. And then, I played boxes for the first time, right? I didn't read the quick questions, what to do in that game, and I'm like, I don't know what to do.
Well, you wanna play this? You wanna play this game?
Oh yeah.
All right, we fixed the truck. Thank you guys so much. Yeah, right. We didn't fix the truck yet. We still have a lot of things to do. We even have to build the engine. The engine. Yeah, I'm not lying.
I am going to make videos like this. Again.
Okay, my brother's getting annoying right now. Now, I know this game has a lot of bugs. Not like, the bugs I see outside. That was actually some good placement. Holy crap.
Really?
What?
Bobby just getting out here. Like, how did he fly all the way over there? Okay, that's pretty nice.
Before I didn't know that I had a screw in the engine. I don't need a screw for that stupid thing.
Okay, I'm serious.
Oh, that's how you fix stuff. All right, so we're gonna do some lap time, some laps, so it doesn't take forever for me to fix this rust bucket. Oh, game froze. All right, we'll be back. Boom, we got most of the engine done. Now let's just keep screwing in.
Bruh.
You put something in there. Nothing in here. We need a screw the radiator.
Bro.
Shut up, Joe.
I was about to hold out a few just with the pen and someone just killed me. Now I lost my pistol, but I don't care. It's too garbage.
You're garbage. Oh,
It dies from being garbage.
it will be when you roast your brother. You say, you're garbage. You know what? So I'm gonna ban you. This game. Exactly. Exactly. I delete it. I'll delete it. Cheers. So people just come up to this thing and like, oh like something else, and then engine is like nice turbo. It's not even a turbo. I see the placement of that actually is pretty cool. But yeah, before I put that on, we're gonna put this on. Safety first, children. Always put everything on your car, or you die, or you would die. There's the cooling. I like how for the install this should put. And I think we are done almost at the engine. That was funny. Is there a light in here? Oh, there is. My game froze. That's more better. Still very laggy. You know, I'm gonna keep looking. Alright, we're gonna get this on. I'll probably actually grab my tools. So we got the interior done in 3, 2, 1. There we go. It's all done. Now we gotta install the hood. Echo went better. Now we gotta pop the hood. There we go. Now he's gonna put some fluid in. That was loud. We already got half a tank. And I gotta go in the settings. Here we go. Runs like a charm. That's gonna be it for this episode of Pickup. And honestly, I already enjoyed this game, even from fixing the car. Our first episode of 2023 of this was Fort. Looks like about to be fixing. And honestly, I really enjoyed the game. And I'll be back soon with another video. See you guys next time. And also, here's a sneak peek. I'm going to be making a new intro.